Tonight, for a nation reeling from a COVID crisis, small signs of hope.
I'm really rooting for this vaccine, and it has helped me cope because I see an end.
Heather Wiley recently completed phase 1 of a vaccine trial that's now moved to the next step. It's assistance that can't come soon enough. As states across the country continue racking up record numbers. In Florida, more than 10,300 new cases Saturday, further swelling a surge of 93,000 infections in just over a week. Hospitals have been hammered.
Busier than we've ever been, sicker than we've ever been.
At least one South Florida healthcare system tells our Miami station WTVJ they're about to run out of a critical treatment, remdesivir.
We are all running very short on supply.
Tonight, Senator Marco Rubio tweeting 30,000 vials of remdesivir are en route to Florida. This is enough to treat 5,000 COVID-19 patients.
We can come up with an early treatment to stop people who are exposed from developing symptoms. That would really ease things up a lot.
Dr. Jeffrey Rosen's company, AMR, is testing patients who are either mildly symptomatic or recently exposed to the virus. They inhale medication through a nebulizer, which then gets deposited in the lungs. If the test is effective at either preventing development or treating COVID-19 symptoms, that could truly pay dividends in cutting community spread. In Houston, Texas, the largest medical center in the world is already overwhelmed, now at 104% ICU capacity. And stunning news a few hours away. 85 children under the age of 2 have tested positive for COVID-19 in just one Texas county. While on the West Coast, LA's Mayor Eric Garcetti considering another lockdown.
I'm hopeful that your actions in this coming week will show our numbers begin to come down. But this week doesn't lie and the data doesn't lie, and it still is very dangerous.
In Miami Beach, a curfew of 8 p.m. just went into effect in an area that is reliant on activity and nightlife to keep businesses afloat. It's a last-ditch effort to try to avoid a shutdown.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.